Hi everyone. We are here for grade 7 math. You can find allstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is created by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start the chapter operation with integers, and the lessons we're going to cover today are integer addition and subtraction rules, add and subtract integers, complete addition and subtraction equations with integers, and integer multiplication and division rules. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson. Here I'm on grade 7 math. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is integer addition and subtraction rules. So let's just start with an example. Is negative 7 plus negative 89 positive or negative? So when both the numbers are negative, you have to add them and they have the sign of, they have a negative sign, right? I am going to make the integer addition and subtraction rule tables on the board, right? You can note down the table. Okay, then we'll do these practice questions, right? This way, it's for adding. Please note down the table on your notebook. Okay, so signs of integer. Okay, rules for adding integers, right? The first column is signs of integer. The second one is So the first example is 5 minus, right? The answer is positive. Got it? Okay, the next one is 2 plus negative 6 positive or negative? You can see 6 is a bigger number with a negative sign, right? So answer must be negative, right? The answer must have a negative sign. Okay, the next one is negative 69 minus negative 5 positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Answer must be negative. Got it? Okay, is 6 plus 4 positive or negative? Positive it is, right? Because both the numbers are positive, answer must be positive. Okay, is negative 95 plus negative 93 positive or negative? Both the numbers are, both the numbers have negative sign. Answer must be negative. Got it? Is minus 1? Yes, it is negative. Okay, is 4 minus negative 8 positive or negative? Positive it is. The correct option is positive. Is negative 1 plus 27 positive or negative? It is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? And the next lesson is add and subtract integers. We're done with the rules. Now we're going to add and subtract them, right? Let's just start with the test question. Okay, negative 4 plus 3 equals, which is the correct option? Negative 1 it is, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Negative 4 plus negative 5 equals, both the numbers are negative, you have to add them and answer must be negative. So the correct option is negative 9. Very good. 2 minus 3 equals, negative 1 it is, right? Okay, 2 minus negative 2, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 4. You have to add them. Subtracting a negative integer is same as adding. Subtract negative 5 minus 3, which is the correct option? Is the correct option. Negative 4 minus negative 2, which is the correct option? Yes, that is correct option is 2, right? Okay, the next one is 4, 2 plus minus 5, which is the correct option? The correct option is negative 3. Very good. Yes, the correct option is 6. Very good. Four plus negative 1 equals, yes, that is 3. The correct option is 3. The correct option is negative 2. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is complete addition and basically you are given the sum of the two numbers or either the difference of the two numbers. You have to find the missing number, right? Let's start with the test questions. Okay, type the integer that makes the following subtraction sentence true. You are given with the options here, right? You can check the options by replacing the number and see which is the correct one. For example, you have missing number minus 1 minus 6. So subtracting a negative integer is same as adding, right? So negative 6, 7 plus 6 is negative 1, and C, both the sides are exactly equal. That means the correct option is negative 9. So just replace the question mark with the options, with that option that satisfies the question. That means the option on which both the sides are exactly equal is the correct option. Got it? Okay, type the integer that makes the following addition sentence true. So you have to make a 0, which is the missing number. Okay, replace the question mark with the first option, right? This one. 1 plus negative 1. So adding a negative integer is same as subtracting. So 1 minus 1 is 0. See, both the sides are exactly equal. That means the correct option. Okay, type the integer that makes the following addition sentence true. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is. Okay, type the integer that makes the following addition sentence to negative 9 plus the missing number, which is the correct option. Yes, very good. Negative 3 it is. The correct option is negative 3. Type the missing integer that makes the following addition sentence true. Missing number minus 3 equals negative 11. So, which is the correct option? That is, the correct option is, yes, that is negative 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Negative 8 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 3 minus the missing number equals 8. Which number is missing? The correct option is -5 it is, right? -3 plus the missing number equals 2. So which is the correct option? Five. Type the missing integer that makes the following subtraction sentence true, which is the correct option? That is 7. The missing number is 7. Very good. Type the integer that makes the following addition sentence true, which is the correct option? -8 it is, right? The missing number is -8. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is integer multiplication and division rules. Integer addition and multiplication rules are very easy, right? So if one of the number is negative, the answer is negative. This is for both multiplication and division. If either of the number is negative, answer must have a negative sign. Got it? Now let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, yes, negative it is, right? Because one of the number 29 is negative, so answer 21 is negative, so answer must be negative. So for the both division and multiplication, if one of them is negative, the answer is negative, right? Otherwise, if both are positive, both are negative. Yes, they both are positive. Answer must be positive, right? Very good. Yes, when you multiply them, that is 24. Is negative 60 divided by negative? Positive it is. Positive, positive, because both the numbers have a negative sign. I have just told you if either of the number is negative, the answer is negative. If they both are positive or they both are negative, answer must be no, it is positive 6. Both the numbers are negative. Negative 60 divided by negative 6. The answer must be positive. That would be positive. Is negative 3 positive or negative? Again, both the numbers have a negative sign, right? That means answer must be positive. Positive it is. Okay, is 1 times negative 6 positive or negative? That is negative, sorry. Because one of the number is negative, so answer must be negative. Okay, is 36 divided by negative 6 positive or negative? Yes, negative, right? Because one of the number is negative, so answer must be negative. Is negative 6 times negative 10 positive or negative? Positive it is, right? Because both the numbers have a negative sign, so answer must be positive. That is positive, right? Is negative 63 divided by 7 positive or negative? That is negative because one of the number is negative, so answer must be negative. Very good. Is negative 6 multiplied by negative 9 positive or negative? Positive it is. The correct option is positive. Is negative 6 times negative 12 positive or negative? The correct option is positive it is, right? Okay, is 11 divided by negative 11 positive or negative? Okay, is 15 divided by negative 5 positive or negative? Yes, that is negative. Okay, you can complete the lesson by operations with integers. The lessons we have covered today are integer addition and subtraction rules, add and subtract integers, complete addition and subtraction equations with integers, add and subtract integers word problems you have to do on your own. The one we have just finished is integer multiplication and division rules, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question related to the lesson we have just finished, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.